You probably keep a box of baking soda in the back of your fridge and break it out when you need to make a batch of cookies for your family. You may have taken it when your stomach hurt or cleaned your laundry with it, too. And you may have even combined baking soda and vinegar in a school science project way back in the day. Baking soda is a staple in practically every household, but how much do you really know about this seemingly simple ingredient? What is baking soda? Baking soda is an alkaline white powder that's ubiquitous in modern kitchens. How is baking soda made exactly? Baking soda is the common name for sodium bicarbonate, an ingredient that got its start 4 million years ago when salt lakes around the world evaporated and formed trona deposits. Trona is the rock that's processed into soda ash, sodium carbonate, a naturally occurring mineral. Soda ash can then also be processed to make baking soda. The world's largest deposit of trona is in Wyoming. The area produced 17 million tons of the mineral in 2015, for export around the world. What's in baking soda? The only ingredient in baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. What baking soda may be able to do for your health? Traditionally, baking soda is a popular antacid for heartburn and indigestion because it can neutralize stomach acid. You can add 1/2 teaspoon (TSP) in 1/2 cup of water to help ease heartburn. A warning, however, baking soda is high in sodium. Just 1/2 teaspoon contains 629 milligrams of sodium. Considering that the US government's dietary guidelines for Americans recommend consuming no more than 2,300 milligrams of sodium daily, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda will supply about 1/4 of that limit. It's recommended that you don't take baking soda or sodium bicarbonate for more than 2 weeks without an okay from your doctor. In some interesting research results, it's possible that baking soda consumption may boost your workout. One small study, on 13 young men, found that those who drank a baking soda solution before a high-intensity intermittent training session improved performance, lowered fatigue, and felt as if they weren't working out as hard compared with those who didn't consume baking soda. The effects are comparable to those of drinking caffeine pre-exercise, the authors say. Other research indicates it may also bolster strength-based exercises, helping you eke out a few extra reps, too. Finally, baking soda may be a valuable weapon against autoimmune conditions in the future. Research shows that when consumed, the antacid action of baking soda may help shift pro-inflammatory immune cells in the body to those who fight inflammation, something that may one day help treat disease. Side effects and health risks of baking soda. There are a few problems to keep in mind should you overconsume baking soda. Applying it to your teeth long-term can erode tooth enamel, as with combining baking soda with an acid as a DIY tooth whitener. Thanks to its high sodium content, it's also possible to consume too much baking soda. An overload of sodium can cause vomiting and diarrhea, as well as more serious problems like seizures and kidney failure. When using it as an antacid, it can actually make GI problems worse if it produces too much gas. Alarmingly, in rare instances, taking it after eating a large meal can cause a stomach rupture. The National Capital Poison Center recommends sticking to safer products like Tums. Finally, because of its sodium content, you'll also want to check with your doctor before taking it if you have high blood pressure. Treat insect bites and stings. While it isn't good for everyday use on your skin, it can soothe the redness, itching, and stinging that are signs of a mild reaction to an insect bite. Many over-the-counter creams contain baking soda. You can also make your own paste of 1 part baking soda to 3 parts water. This also works for poison ivy and rashes. Keep your mouth healthy. Brushing your teeth with toothpaste that has baking soda can hold off tooth decay and keep your gums and mouth in good shape. A 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda mixed in a glass of water can also freshen your breath. Treat kidney disease. A daily dose of sodium bicarbonate can help people whose kidneys can no longer remove enough acid from their blood. Do you involve baking soda in your daily routine? What are the health benefits you think baking soda provides? Please, let us know in the comments below. We would like to really hear your opinion. If you have found this video helpful, please like this video. It really means a lot to us. And if you think it might help one of your friends, don't be shy and share this video with them as well. That way, we all can help people we care about to live happier life. And if you didn't do so yet, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive more informational videos that will improve your health and lifestyle. Thank you for watching this baking soda benefits for health video, and we will see you on our next video. Bye bye.